Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll be doing the analysis from the higher time frame to lower time frame, and we'll be sharing you the current support and resistance levels and present trend of the price action. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. It's not a trading advice. First, when we look at the economic calendar for today is Tuesday, May 31st. We have lots of low impacting news: New Zealand dollar, JPY, Australian dollar, China yuan. And when we look at the medium impacting news, at 5:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news for Swiss francs, Canadian dollar. Again at 7:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin our analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, I have drawn a channel pattern over here. This is a support level of the channel pattern and this is a resistance line of the channel pattern. And when we look at the direction of the channel pattern, it is on a bullish side. So currently the price action is trading above this support line. So overall price action in daily time frame is actually on a bullish side. Only when the price action breaks this support line of the bullish channel pattern, we can consider it as a bearish trend reversal in daily time frame. I've also drawn a resistance line over here. So if the price action wants to go on a bullish side, it has to break this resistance line to trend on the bullish side. And the support lines marked in black color are the very strong resistance and support levels, because we have noticed the price action to test this support level and to bounce back on the opposite direction. Currently I have marked the resistance and support levels in red color lines. You can notice that these levels had acted as a very strong support and resistance levels in the past. So these are all going to be very important support and resistance levels for the daily time frame. And currently we are noticing the price action to trend up and took resistance from the resistance level of 1869, and it has formed similar to a double top pattern and it is on a retracement. As we already know, this level of 1833 is going to be acting as a very strong support level. So if the price action breaks this support level, we have the next level of support from the bullish channel pattern. It has to break this support level also in order to trend down on the bearish side. So for the current price action, this level of 1869 to 1833 is going to be acting as a very strong support from the daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I have drawn a resistance line over here. So we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal whenever it tests this resistance line. Currently also we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side. Previously when we noticed the price action, it was in a very nice bullish trend, testing this resistance line several times, and it couldn't break the resistance level of 1869 and went on a bearish side retracement. Currently we are noticing the price action to break this support line or the trend line which it had respected in the past. And if the candle closes below this support line or the resistance line, this line will become invalid. Then the next level of support is going to be 1833. So as long as this resistance line is not broken, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame. And if this resistance line is broken, next level of resistance is going to be the higher time frame resistance level of 1869. Although the price action has broken this trend line, currently we are noticing the price action to trade between this support level of 1833 and resistance level of 1869. It is moving on a sideways within this resistance and support level. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in orange color boxes are going to be the resistance and support levels for the current price action. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame, when we analyze the price action, previously the price action was respecting this hourly time frame trend line or the support line, and it was trading on a very nice bullish trend. Currently it has given a breakout from this trend line, and the candle have closed below this trend line, which means the bearish trend has started in 30 minutes time frame. And if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be the higher time frame support level of 1832. And when we look at the past price action, we have noticed the price to test this level in the past and went on a bullish trend, and currently it is on a retracement. So even if the price action comes on a bearish trend reversal, we can expect this support level to act as a very strong support level, because it has not broken this support level in the past, and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in orange color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Previously the price action was in a very nice bullish trend, and currently it has bounced back from the resistance line from the hourly time frame. As long as the price action doesn't break this resistance line, we can expect the downtrend to continue, and once the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the bullish side trend to start, and next level of resistance from the higher side is going to be 1869. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 5 minutes time frame, I am drawing one more resistance line or the trend line for the, and when we notice the price action in 5 minutes time frame, we can clearly notice that it has broken the support line of the hourly time frame, and it is in a very nice downtrend. Currently the price action has taken support on the previous support line from the 5 minutes time frame, and it has bounced back on the bullish side. Wait for the price action to break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side. And if the price action breaks this resistance line from the 5 minutes time frame, you can take trades on the bullish side. This will be the higher time frame resistance level if the price action goes on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values in orange color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trying to break the support level of 1847. Previously this level had acted as a very strong support level. Wait for the price action to break this support level to take trades on the bearish side. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video.